coach na so Hamza Obeng Mohammed joined Kotoko from Vision FC. At the time now appointment clear. Sir Kotoko Hamza Eba Amana Babe the youth team no the second assistant coach of Asante Kotoko. And Rachidam Bakacho say last season here came ye bono contact every Adriana Eba Hamza Obeng Mohammed show.
Yeah.
Now that contact now cost Samuel Bodu Kofi Yesu. Samuel Bodu apparently had discussed with Brekum Chelsea. Panipa Obed Nana Kwame Nketia. Says Nyame adumna season ba wie ya. When offer me says he may want to go, but the primary objective then was to ensure say Brekum Chelsea ebeka Ghana Premier League nim. Enampa Samobodu ade Brekum Chelsea eka Ghana Premier League. Ye wie season no na say ne Adriana move na ebeba so. At the time I'm contacted Samobodu. 87.9. And wakache Doma Adriana Star say in principle aja tum so beba. No beba. Obeng the able assistant Hamza Obeng Mohammed.
Wow.
Abusama kacho say Samobodu ane Adriana nkomo no almost done. In spite of difficulties be about in spite of say Adriana insistence was sign na Kofi say that be sign no ma din komo we kire ama sikasam na bi abeka ho years na 3 years about 2 years na de o ma didi won komo no na afi ababedu the assistance na so and someone Bodu is still insisting on Hamza Obeng Mohammed as the ideal assistant to Ope.
Wow.
Makacho say Kotoko changes aba. There is a new board. The IMC is gone. The new board is yet to form, for the want of a better word, I say a proper management. Yakasa sisi idea. Uromu Asante Kotoko. Administrative manager in opinion thing at the Richard or say Akutu. Yakasa sisi Asante Kotoko here. The board chairman is acting as the executive chairman.
Yeah.
Now communication, I got the Babonte officially. Official ball league Stanley Menzo appointment. One of the Babonte.
As the hater of football.
And Kratan specify a chremu dienti omodenaba. Opanyine ba ya adwuma kakra mza panyi. Meka cho so obekọ nechi no wasaba. Okọ o mai. No kwasam ne say na until enra ne enra chi ho no. Na Hamza Obeng komodie bia nko so say opanyi ABCD ne pese afi oye. Ye direction say na ekro. Na we ni huru a we play. Enti obviously coach in the course of the season Okochron the lines is A. Not all indications actually the lines is A no. He cannot wait on the French side of hope. I maybe enjoy the beer. There is no coach who will do that. And in commodity be a course. Hamza say. Na metwa catch us enya Adriana Stars nko.
Wow.
Enya Adriana Stars nko. 3 other Ghana Premier League teams are making contact to Hamza Obeng Mohammed. Now the American say Penyibi Abusa Stanley Menzo say Openina ya assistant coach na no say head of youth you know. O plan for him dear. Ama officially one anya the plan for Hamza and same has been communicated to Hamza. We are going to support her. Ubet me at that Hamza is not about to join Adriana.
Wow.
Hamza any Adriana Japan a kwana demuno so obeko Adriana. Ti se ufiri ha nanta ko Hamle emuapa. And Stanley actually ade a mpanyifo mo Asante Kotoko. the unique role person Hamza play at my number one. I was afraid be institutional memory. When you take over a new business, so 3 years now you will be no you're part of a human. Nani pakonia willing and ready to work with you. No one you're not so best sabotage you and for so sure. Obama a lot at the academy because baby Obama afe na oba. Stanley say Hamza will be their ear, their eyes, their nose, and their mouth on the grounds when it comes to Asante Kotoko.
Wow.
Now, Kai some cultures Kotoko youth team players be ebenya akwanya adjoin senior team.
Yeah.
Kotoko youth team last year Hamza Obeng and the coach you.
Sure.
So clearly Hamza no and eba be chere coach the strength of those players or weaknesses what we can do to polish them up. Kotoko ever call other centers and venues. A new coach, a new sporting football director. Hamza will be the one of the chums that had you say in a park and a chair. Tia kwa say ni. Eh bia openino baby o free bano. Our pitches in a standard a pet. I had in your pet. And maybe Ghana Premier League team be unimzana park and in feeds and uncle for a chomo and a cover vinti. Not to crew them, Premier League center of the opinion. Enti Hamza Diano met my catcher say dear on one casa who roar and pay for at the best of the man. And I can tell you for now, I am satisfied with everything and paying for a proposal at the Amano. I know Hamza Obeng Mohammed. I was a person.
Richard Pepe shall raise the fellow man.
Enras Enrachi and Kabiru Adama. On my publication, be say, say Asante Kotoko. One a right back and a thing at the Emmanuel Kotei, Gor Mahia. Aqua sign as a free agent. Eddie Gor Mahia. Quickly, a bra story no a buy no. Now, I say, a run checks.
Sure.
I'm the person example.
Richard Pepe shall raise the fellow man.
Met me at the ato only or tear for anim. Minim said Dodwanano might have read the story of Branch Gor Mahia. And for minim baby a Kabiru at the link man, but Asante Kotoko right back. Emmanuel Kotei is set to join Kenyan Giant Gor Mahia. Personal terms agreed. Medical schedule deal done as a free agent. Kotei will move to the Nairobi-based club on a free transfer after leaving Kotoko.
Yes, sir.
Emmanuel Kotei onye free. Emmanuel Kotei onye free. Yet ya archives in terms of your four when you crash here. Near bar. Now you be bia at the bar.
Nice one.
Emmanuel Kotei was announced by Asante Kotoko on the 15th of January 2024. Asante Kotoko kratano echere the duration of contractor Emmanuel Kotei assign here.
Okay.
Tibra me tell story na say me wuram na mbusa Kotoko company for say e bia one terminate contract na because say Kotoko terminate dia and your branch no e betimi ai free na wa join another club.
Yes, sir.
Kotoko announced Emmanuel Kotei on the 15th of January 2024. Emmanuel Kotei assigned a 3-year contract with Asante Kotoko.
Okay.
3-year contract with Asante Kotoko. It will for January 2024. 1 year is January 2025.
Yeah.
2 years is January 2026. 3 years is January 2027. Kotei contract in January 2027. Asante Kotoko is delighted to announce the signing of right back Emmanuel Kotei from Nswachama FC on a 3-year deal. 3-year deal. enti yawo 2026 afi wu a na yesi January mu a na Kotei contract of the penny ebeba na wie. So per my checks Kotoko and release no per my checks Kotei and turn from contracts.
Okay.
Enti story na buy no said make a minimum pa call story no. Apologies to that person coming manka me boni di na mark religion ha. Emmanuel Kotei entimi go sign contract na o status or call as a free agent no enya possible because onye free agent. The American is Asante Kotoko for interested in working further with Emmanuel Kotei because Kai say Kotoko omo right backs mienu ye kasa bujapenyi omo the treatment table no so. Third captain of the club. Abrante the thing at the Lord super fantastic Danny Alves Amwa wepra. Your boy Shaibu Abubakar wepra. Enti aye Kotei and aye the only standing Kotoko right back as we speak. I was also aye under contract. Me wura mun mpanyin for enya o madwen say wo mo terminate contract. Sa fi me dey futu ama Asante Kotoko. Me dey futu ama Hasifo. Me dey futu ama almost all the Ghanaian clubs there. Sa ya terminate mu nyai na boys no. One hwe kro beje juwa mo terminate. O terminate ade a chen a obetisi ya announce no Ethiopia, ya announce no Zimbabwe, ya announce no Zambia, Rwanda, Uganda, Lesotho, South Africa. Ya be announce mo. Timunyai ya de abufu terminate ba as replacement. Ede ama empay for. Abja point am jam.
Richard Pepe Sharend the Falama.
Asante Kotoko makacho say goalkeeper ebe ba as replacement for Mo Kamara. Since you got our 3 goalkeepers of Japan, 3. One more awo Aziz Haruna Dari. One more Benjamin Chum. And only goalkeeper back echo loan awo future stars a feno Fatao Sidu.
Okay.
It Fatao become 1 eye 3. No question say based on the assessment director of football na iron. He needs a top-notch goalkeeper. If Kotoko a goalkeeper of international stature or that national team, and no the ideal situation a coach no, and as a sporting director no, football director Stanley Epe.
Nice one.
Now me 3 story and I'm say, Pepe, me by story be at the mamo some time back. I check a crowd.
Yeah.
Me catch now say goalkeeper be no or international goalie.
Yeah.
Now or number 1 choice goalie. Me a story no on the 2nd of May.
So, hello everyone. Today we're going to be taking a look at
2nd May.
Yes.
And I'm here story. Goalkeeper ni din ade Yanosa Abibolai. Yanosa Abibolai. Or your first choice goalkeeper at the Niger. Woman national team no. Unze ne samba. Anationalize Asia Academy Niger.
Yes.
Abibolai Yanosa any on the page you see.
Wow.
Ya betin hon komo ewa.
Sure.
Me catch you say an agency, a reputable sports management consult to be. I propose Yanosa Abibolai. Our number 1 goalkeeper at the ma Niger national team no. At the Asante Kotoko. Na sabre no. Na IMC no air cro. And do propose the same. Abjapani yaka say agency still. Wamosa branch did Abibolai Yanosa is still available on the transfer market. Young Fanjo or a free agent.
Wow.
The last club, US Gendarmerie Nationale. US. A Union Sportive. The others are on the Gendarmerie Nationale. Or a 21-year-old goalkeeper, 21 years. Now, the age, you know, on the side, Aquano height of Japan. To say the Kamara by no Pejan and Zano, they are touchy puno. Sape, a big bolai. Abi Bolai or 6'4". 6'4".
Wow.
Like what a normal that kind of ungum nega.
Our height, Papa.
Yeah, 6'4". 21 years. Ufi Niger.
Very young.
Niger and Ufri. What pop it up on the Kotoko goalkeeping search radar.
87.9 Kumasi.
And another goalkeeper. And so our picture, no, that's what on the age, you know. I was so kakra. Makacho sa Asante Kotoko, you know. Our age bracket be. A free 18 years, equals 23. I do age bracket a coach, you know, pay.
Yeah.
So 23 now. The English museum, you must have exceptional qualities.
Yeah.
So when you need exceptional quality now, a normal player now you know, I 24, 25, 26 Kotoko and Stanley Men's Omon sign. So only the 18, 19 no, about my papa they will go for the 18, 19 because he believes that Omo be training player no. Now already 25, 26 that and there. You train you about year pa. Some penny for say dia we. Isha utimi etreno. Ne nyini wie dia. Na de fine afa. Eti abibolai yanosa. Fadin atu trim. Pepe. Masan aboso e de ma biem. Abuja point am example.
Richard Pepe shall arrange the fella man.
Mame enko pie mu e wo Asante Kotoko center back search no.
Akuma FM.
The catch was Razak Simpson na on ne din e da soro e wo enkomo no mu. Razak Simpson. Enrechi ena mi amisa be catch say Razak Simpson no apiem e wo Finland.
Yeah.
The team name is Vasan. Akọ sign a 5-year deal at the Finnish club. So that deal is done. The moment I'm Japanese that deal I had done no. As Asante Kotoko, omo a trigger or other options no. And Kotoko as we speak. One of our plan A, plan B, plan C. Plan A one of Japan you no. One more our players be miensa na say enaya. Omo nyina air plan A. Enye se bia sa players no. Baako A baako B da bi level na pe.
Wow.
Plan A ne baako for center back Isa Kotoko would have to strengthen the central defense because me say 4 center backs Kotoko at the start last season. Samba. Idiom kind of contract in Joseph Ablo. And I branch the thing at the Ansu Henry. Out of the 4-3 of the penny, bye bye. Omoni Obi. And look at the pedigree of these players, or more experience level. And when you got experience players, abecho.
Yeah.
Listen and listen good. Makacho say Kotoko ever go out of their way. Akoto player already 25, 26, 27, 28. Player no ever exceptional qualities. I was your points of example.
Richard Pepe shall arrange the fella man.
Ebenezer Aban, a captain at the Pandu Heart of Lions. Ebenezer Aban. Aban at the 28 years. Ebenezer Aban was popping up on Asante Kotoko Omuredano for a center backer. Wano ebabe teki Samba Ru Nana Obono. Now you really kakra Ebenezer Aban no club Japan contract with Pandu Heart of Lions.
Ooh.
The contract with Pandu Heart of Lions.
87.9 Kumasi.
And only at Ebenezer Aban. Club B Malaysia Super League.